Hey gang, we just drove about 3 hours from Grutas de Tolatongo to Real del Monte, a mining town from the 1700s. We decided to kind of extend our time this morning just because the Grutas Tolatongo was so amazing. And we've got this little stop here to check this place out before we head on to our final destination of Pachuca.
Polka.
Pikachu. No help.
Pachuca.
Pachuca, thank you very much.
Bless you.
Bless you. Ah. All right, guys.
We're gonna continue walking around this cute little town, and then we'll see you on the road. Good morning, Adventure Amigos. This morning we are in the city of Pachuca.
Hey, last night, even though the drive down from Monte del Rio was only about 15 minutes, we kind of got in a little late and scrambled a bit to find a hotel. So we kind of just zonked last night. We stayed at a Mexican Fiesta Hotel about a kilometer away from right here. It was fine for 28 Canadian dollars, no complaints at all.
Pachuca de Soto is a city of about 700,000 people and at the elevation of 2,400 meters. So it's a little bit chilly here this morning.
All right, let's go have a quick look before we get on the road. Oh, it's okay. Perfecto.